Section 3.6.1, balance section. So, under balance condition, yung tensile strength kasi will theoretically just reach its yield point. And at the same time, yung extreme compression fiber ng ating concrete will attain a strain equal to 0.003. If that is the case, the member can suddenly fail without warning. Kaya isa ito sa mga inaiwasang design natin, yung balance na section. Kasi simultaneous kasi na yield yung ating concrete tsaka yung tensile strength natin at the same time. So suddenly co-collapse yung ating structure if such cases na na-design yung structure under balance condition. So para ma-visualize natin yung strain diagram ng ating reinforced concrete na beam, ito yung cross section given na yung meron tayong width B tsaka yung effective depth. Let us say yung naka-green yan yung ito yung location ng neutral axis under a balance condition. So ito na ngayon yung ating strain diagram. So first, ma-achieve ng ating concrete yung upper limit ng strain ng ating concrete sa compression, sa extreme na compression na fiber. And at the same time, yung strain ng ating tension steel will achieve the yield strain. So ito na ngayon yung ating strain ng ating reinforced concrete under balance condition. So another na section is what we so-called decompression controlled or brittle na section. So as the load on such a member is increased, its deflection will usually not be particularly noticeable. So even though the concrete is highly stressed in compression, and failure will probably occur without warning to users of the structure. So isa rin to sa mga iniiwasan na type ng ng design, especially sa ating mga beams. Kasi kung brittle yung ating section, hindi makikita yung pag-deflect ng ating beam, hindi makikita na mayroon na palang crack. So para ma-visualize natin yung strain diagram ng ating reinforced concrete na section under compression controlled na condition. So first sketch muna natin yung balance condition na strain diagram. Okay, now usually yung location ng neutral axis natin for compression controlled is greater than the location ng neutral axis at balance condition. So if that is the case, yung magiging sketch ng ating strain diagram, considering na naka-fix tayo sa upper limit na strain ng ating concrete sa extreme na fiber, ito na ngayon yung ating diagram. So usually yung strain naman ng ating extreme na tension steel will be less than our yield strain. So next naman is yung tinatawag nating transition controlled na sections. So under this, the net steel strains values between the yield strain and 0.005 are in a transition region between the compression controlled and tension controlled na sections. So para ma-visualize natin yung strain diagram ng ating transition controlled na section, first i-sketch natin ulit yung ating strain diagram at balance condition. So usually yung location naman ng neutral axis ng section natin under transition controlled na condition is medyo lower compared sa C-balanced. So if that is the case, if we're going to sketch our strain diagram with which nakafix tayo dito sa 0.003 na strain, then if we're going to draw a line na mag-intersect dito sa location ng ating neutral axis papunta dito. So, usually, yung strain ng ating extreme na tension na steel will be greater than the yield strain pero less than ito sa 0.005. Then, yung last is yung tinatawag nating tension-controlled na sections. So, tensile strains are equal to or greater than 0.005 and at the same time, host concrete strains naman are 0.003. Steel will yield before the compression side crushes and deflections will be large, giving users warning of impending failure. So ito yung ideal talaga na condition if you are going to design a reinforced concrete na beam. So dapat may sudden warning, makikita talaga yung deflection which will give our users warning na meron ng failure. So, also, since greater than or equal yung tensile strain natin sa 0.005, tinatawag din natin tong fully ductile na section. So, para ma-visualize natin yung strain diagram under tension-controlled na section, first, sketch muna natin yung strain diagram under balance condition. Then, usually, yung location ng neutral axis natin is medyo na talaga to, lower na sa ating C balanced. That is the case if we're going to sketch our strain diagram. Yung strain ng ating extreme na tension steel will be greater than or equivalent sa 0.005 na strain.